Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Texas franchise tax filings in Comptroller WebFile, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin updating your Texas franchise tax filings in Comptroller WebFile, first, navigate to the Texas Comptroller's official website. Once there, locate and click on the WebFile link. You will be prompted to enter your access credentials. Input your user ID and password into the designated fields. If you do not have an account, follow the prompts to create one. After logging in, you will see the dashboard with various options. Select the franchise tax option from the menu. Click on File a Report to begin the filing process. Choose the appropriate tax year for which you want to update your filings. If you need to make changes to a previously submitted report, select Amend a Report. You will be directed to a series of forms. Carefully review the instructions provided for the forms. Input any necessary updates or corrections in the designated fields. Be sure to double-check all entries for accuracy. After completing your updates, proceed to the Review section. In the Review section, ensure all information is correct and complete. If everything looks good, click on the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message upon successful submission. Keep a record of this confirmation for your records. If you need assistance during the process, utilize the help options available on the site. Finally, log out of your account securely once you have finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.